An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and tax benefits of a partnership. If you're starting a business in Texas, you may be considering forming an LLC. In this blog post, we'll guide you through the steps of creating an LLC in Texas, step by step. Step 1: Choose a business name. The first step in creating an LLC in Texas is to choose a business name. Your business name must be distinguishable from all other business names on file with the Texas Secretary of State. You can check for name availability by searching the Texas Secretary of State website. Step 2: File articles of organization. Once you've chosen a business name, the next step is to file articles of organization with the Texas Secretary of State. The articles of organization are the documents that officially create your LLC. Step 3: Appoint a registered agent. Every LLC in Texas must have a registered agent. The registered agent is a person or business that agrees to receive legal documents on behalf of the LLC. Step 4: Obtain an employer identification number, EIN. You'll need an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS to open a bank account and pay taxes for your LLC. You can obtain an EIN for free from the IRS website. Step 5: Create an operating agreement. Although it's not required by law in Texas, it's a good idea to create an operating agreement for your LLC. An operating agreement is a document that outlines the ownership and management structure of your LLC. Step 6: Comply with annual report and tax requirements. Every year, you'll need to file an annual report with the Texas Secretary of State and pay an annual fee. You'll also need to pay state taxes and any applicable federal taxes. If you want to set up a Texas LLC, click the link below to get started with My Corp. They will file your paperwork within 24 hours. If this information was valuable, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.